Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from panter.vis. Today I'm going to show you how to create this double exposure image using lines. On this image, basically I used two, like this is from semi-profile and this one is from the front. So I'm going to test this out, see how it's going to come out, and of course you can use it with a single image and duplicate it. First, we're going to jump into Illustrator because it's done with Illustrator and Photoshop also. Here we're going to create some lines and make sure that you're on the fill. Let's select the color. I'm going to use black. Go to the stroke, click on the stroke, click on the none so you don't have anything on the stroke. Click on the fill again so it's on the top. Let's select the rectangle tool and just create a line. Okay, you're going to select this one, press and hold Alt, drag it to the right, release it, and then press Ctrl D until it's going to create a lot of copies. Okay. Press Ctrl C and we're going to jump into the Photoshop, and here press Ctrl V, so it's going to copy paste it here. I'm going to select pixels, press and hold Shift so you can adjust it, and press Enter. We're going to uncheck the lines and click on this layer, which is basically the top. Press and hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of the lines, which is located right here. Click and it's going to select the lines. And we're going to mask this image. Click on the mask and voila, we have this double exposure image. I'm gonna unlock the first image, which is from the front, and I also can move it and test it out. So yeah, you can play around, see what's gonna happen, and make some experiments. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the other videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.